come from behind me is our farm, which is for Moses and to North Mboyas. But in front of me is a little creek or stream, you can call it. This is the water we found here at the farm, which is a seasonal stream. It runs from November to April. Right now, it's still stagnant water. It's not going anywhere because it's about to dry. And this water is feeds animals. Our neighbors will bring their animals in to drink from this water. And we grow corn, beans, and rice. Our corn, beans, and rice are rain fed, so we don't depend on this creek to irrigate our corn. Soon you're going to show you our rice field and corn field and our animals, but also we are going to tell you about the water that we use for drinking, for cooking, and to give to our animals. As I said, this is just a seasonal stream, and you can tell the water is not clean. For you to be able to use this water, you must boil it first and then cool it. You can drink it. As you see, weeks-old baby chickens, and they are 11 in number. We keep them in here, but look, they have clean water and their food to eat, and this water comes from the well. These are the ones who lay eggs, and when they lay eggs, we get those eggs. The mother chicken sits on the eggs, and we have baby chickens, but they also have clean water to drink. Kiki gives us good milk to sell and to drink. We make it for chai, we call it chai latte, and Kiki drinks water from this well here. So it's also fed by the pipe. And that's Kiki's baby, big baby now. This is part of another group of livestock we have, goats. And we have 12 goats, and soon you're going to see those baby goats. So now they're putting Yona, you need to put them into a grazing area, and they're going to be really, really happy.